In this video I'll show you how you can make a highlighter rainbow effect. Actually it's a bit of a 3D effect on the highlighter. When you write with it, it will look like 3D bricks, and it's pretty interesting. And I'm really writing some text here, nothing special, only to prepare to have something to highlight. And is hello there, and how is this possible? Well, let's see now. This is a highlighter hack that is temporary. It will not be lasting a long time, but it's really interesting when you do it. Most important, you start with the light color, the yellow, this yellow in the middle, and on the yellow you put the red on one side and the blue on the other side, and in the yellow now the tip becomes a bit of a multicolor rainbow effect. And also you see it looks a bit 3D when you write on it, so it's pretty interesting. Thanks for watching.